Got the Google Pixel 10 Pro and I installed the latest OTA update and saw this feature called Magic Queue in the settings option. I go inside Magic Queue and there's an infinite loop of updating Magic Queue, and there is an ongoing notification in the notification menu which is telling me that downloading Pixel AI models, and this thing continued for over 24 hours. I read on the internet it might take some time for your latest Pixel 10 Pro to download the Pixel AI models, but more than 24 hours is kind of frustrating. So I went over to the internet, went over to Google, started searching how to fix this issue of the Pixel 10 Pro stuck in an infinite loop of downloading Pixel AI models, and this is what I found. And spoiler alert, this is what worked for me. Now, I did find this method on Reddit, and it is supposedly 8 or 9 months ago that this issue was first reported for the Screenshots app, but it worked on my Pixel 10 Pro as well. So, we will go into settings, and from the settings page, we're going to go into apps, see all apps, three dot menu on the top right, show system, tap on the search icon, and herein we're going to search for screenshot. You will see Pixel screenshots. Select this, go into force stop select. Okay, then go into storage and cache. If clear cache is enabled, clear cache first and then select clear storage and say delete. Now we're going to go back and go back one more time till you reach the search page. Next thing over here we're going to search for is core, and then you will see AI core. Once you are in the AI core option, you have to follow the same steps. So we're going to force stop, select OK, then go into storage and cache. Clear cache is enabled, clear cache, and then clear data. And then we're going to select clear storage and select delete. Then we will go back two more times, and the next thing which we're going to search for is compute, and you're going to see private compute services. Select that and follow the same steps like force stop first, and then you will go into storage and cache. If clear cache is enabled, delete cache first, followed by delete storage and select delete. And then the next thing we're going to do is we are going to reboot our Google Pixel 10 Pro. Now, once the device has rebooted, you can unlock it, but do not do anything for at least 5 to 6 minutes. That is, just leave the device be. Do not go into any applications which will require Pixel AI models. Now, after 5 or 6 minutes, we will go back into settings and go into Magic Queue. You will see that you're going to get a message that updating Magic Queue and the download is in progress. And in your notifications, you'll get notifications about device intelligence, downloading things, as well as downloading Pixel AI models. It will take a few hours, but eventually it should be done. And then if you go back and check AI Core, you can see that I now have 6.54 GB of data in my AI Core app. And if I go into the Magic Queue option, I no longer have it telling me that it is still downloading things. Here it is. Magic Queue is now enabled and working like a boss, and I do not have the option, or it is not telling me that it is downloading in progress. So there it is, peeps. That is how you fix the Google Pixel 10 Pro if you're stuck in the downloading Pixel AI models loop, and hopefully this video helps you out. Now, of course, if there is any other tip or trick which worked for you and helped you get rid of this downloading Pixel AI models continuous notification, and you were successfully able to download all the Google Pixel AI models, then feel free to share that pro tip in the comments on this video.